Hello friends, I'm back with new video. So today we will see that what is the selection structures in Java. So selection structures, from its name you can understand that by this we are going to be understand that how can we select the values in the programming code. For example, if you want to specify some particular condition in the code, then for that purpose we are using these selection structures. And how many type of selection structures we have? We have if statement, if statement. Secondly, we have if else. In this we have two conditions. Third, we have multiple if statements, multiple if statements. Okay, and in the last we have switch statement. So today we will cover these first three. Okay, let's come to the point now. So the definition which is written here is they are giving us an example of the real world. In the real life, you often select your actions based upon whether a condition is true or false. For example, if it is raining outside, you carry an umbrella, otherwise not. So most probably in every situation we have two conditions: either we need to do that particular task or we don't need to do. For example, you like desserts a lot, so that you want to eat some sugary item after the dinner or the lunch or the breakfast. So what do you think that you just think about your fitness also, that I don't need to eat so much sugar items. So you have two conditions: either you will eat the sugar item, otherwise you will not. So either the condition should be true or false. So just like that, they have given us an example of the rainy season, that look outside the window, is it raining? So if it is raining, if it is true, then what will you do? Your action is you carry an umbrella. If is it raining? If it is not raining, then you doesn't carry umbrella, of course. So we have most probably two conditions in most of the situations in the life. So just like that, that machine doesn't have any feeling inside it, and machine doesn't know what to do and what not to do. These kind of conditions we are going to feed inside the machine, so that machine knows which task he have to do and which task he doesn't have to do. So these kind of conditions are applied so that if it is true, then a specific task machine will do. If it is false, and some another specific task machine will do. So these kind of selection structures will be programmed, and that program will be stored inside the machines. So similarly, in a program, you may want to execute a part of a program based on the value of an expression. For example, if you want to execute a specific line of instruction and the another instruction you do not want to execute, so for that purpose also we are using these kind of selection structure, because from its name you can understand that we are selecting a particular thing, and we have variety of structures for that will we are learning now. So Java provides two statements: if and else statement and switch statement, for executing a block of code conditionally. So a block of code is a sequence of statements enclosed with curly brackets. Okay, the thing which we are going to be write inside a open and close bracket, it is called block. So actually we have multiple blocks in one single program, depend upon the situation and the condition which we want to apply. So the first one is if statement. Okay, they have written if else statement, but basically we are learning first of all only if statement. Just suppose you have only one condition, and if that condition is true and you are executing particular statement, otherwise program is going to be exit immediately. So just suppose you are making one program, inside that you have a condition that percentage should be more than 40, only then the student is passed, otherwise program is going to be exit and nothing will be happened, nothing will be displayed over the screen as an output. Okay, this is called only if statement, and the detailed theory is written there. Here you can read. The next one is if else condition, where we have applied two conditions, either this one is working, either this one is working, and this is called a block which is started with the curly bracket and enclosed with the curly bracket. Okay, this is block 1 and this is block 2. Okay, either block 1 will be executed or either block 2 will be executed. For example, you can see the example here also. If you have 41 marks, then you are passed. If you have 46 marks, you are passed. If you have 92, then also you are passed. But what else? If you have less than 40, like if you have 39, then failed message will be displayed. Okay, we have only two conditions, more than and less than. You need to check out. If you have number more than 40, the message passed will be displayed, otherwise failed message will be displayed. And this statement we are using for printing the messages. System.out.println. And what is the meaning of this dot? This is called IntelliSense feature. IntelliSense feature. Okay, remember this. So we have done two statements, first only if, then after if else. Okay, now we have multiple if conditions. Just suppose if you having marks in between 40 to 60, then passed with second division will be displayed. If you have marks more than 60, just like 61, 73, whatever, then passed with first division will be displayed. If you have less marks than 40, then message failed will be displayed. In this, how many blocks we have? We have 3 blocks. We have 3 conditions. How many conditions you have? That depends upon the block you are going to be declared. This is the block 1. Either the block 1 will be execute, other will not, or either the second block will be execute. Okay, either this second block will be execute and others are not. And the last one, if student have less than 40 marks like 32, then this will be displayed, another are not. So this is what selection structures we have, which you need to study. So the last one is the switch statement, which we will discuss in the later on video, and I'll share you in the video link in the I button. Okay, you can check out later on. This switch statement I will share with you in another video, because this video is already very long, so that part I will share you in the I button. And hope you like this video, and you have any query you can comment below. See you in the next video. Take care.